Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with another motivational thought to start your week. If you are someone who watches a lot of television, you may notice that many of today's most popular programs have to do with adventures and discoveries of things and places that are unusual or uncommon. As humans, we love to see what lies beyond the next horizon and find out what has yet to be discovered. It is that drive for knowledge and discovery that has inspired men like Ferdinand Magellan, Marco Polo, and Christopher Columbus to leave the comforts of their own world to seek fame and fortune in far-off lands. It drove Sir Edmund Hillary to conquer Mount Everest and Neil Armstrong to be the first man to set foot on the moon. Successful people are not content with the life that just happens because they open their eyes every morning. They chase after meaning and purpose with gusto, and they cannot be satisfied until they have stretched themselves beyond what they did yesterday in their quest for success. They have a deep desire to improve themselves and their lot in life, and they're willing to take whatever risk is required or seek the knowledge and strength they can to help them achieve their goals and dreams. Becoming successful is not going to happen just because you want a better life. It takes a commitment to a different way of thinking and a different way of being. Just as it took certain information, actions, and examples to create who you are right now, you can become someone totally different by changing your beliefs and acting on new ones. As several philosophers from ages past have put it, you are what you eat. Whatever you allow to enter your mind, your will, and your emotions will ultimately determine who you are and what you achieve in life. Never accept the status quo. It is not the characteristics of success. Successful people choose to push and push until they realize their goals. They know that anything worth having is worth the effort it takes to get it. They're willing to take a leap of faith in order to attain success. Winners do not view their efforts as just a way to try new things, but as steps towards reaching the larger goal of achieving their ultimate dream in life. To successful people, the past does not matter as much as what happens now and what the results will be in their future. They do not look behind them except to see what mistakes they've made, how they overcame them, and to see how far they have come. They focus on what lies ahead and have a clear view of the finish line at all times. They know that their actions they take today are what will make their dreams for tomorrow become reality. Never forget that being successful is a choice, just as losing is a choice. Ultimately, you decide which way your life will go by the actions you take or the ones you fail to take. Do not be afraid to face the challenges that life delivers or be reluctant to experience the victories that others consider not worth the risk.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.